Hi guys, it's Krystal here, your Home Sweet Home 519 Realtor, and I wanted to talk to you about 5 things you can do to sell your home for more value without having to renovate. Ah. So, there's a few things. They're not very costly. Some are absolutely free. Some might cost you a little bit of money. But when you're thinking of selling your house, before you even call me, and hopefully you do call me, but before you even call me, there's some things you can do which will actually just make your life happier as well. First thing, and I'm sure you know what I'm going to say, is declutter. So, one thing that we love about walking into hotel rooms or open houses when we were able to go to them was how nice and open and clutter free everything seems. So, some of my clients are very good at this, some of them not so much. I'm in the not so much category too, so don't worry. But places that usually get the worst clutter are kitchen and bathroom counters, fireplace mantles. We think that they're kind of a display case of sorts, laundry room shelves, they can collect a lot, tabletops and magazine racks, and bookshelves as well. So when you're going through your house, go room to room and just take a look and look at the places that just have stuff everywhere. So when you're selling, you want to show how big and bright and open your home is. It doesn't always have to be functional. Being functional is a bonus though. The next thing you can do is rearrange your furniture. So we kind of get used to things being a certain way, but you can take some big bulky pieces and kind of put them off to the side, or maybe change out a table that's taking up too much room for something that's a little bit slimmer. There's a whole bunch of different options that you can do, but go room to room and see if there's any clutter that you can take away. Large furniture in a smaller room always makes the room look smaller, no matter what you do. So clean. So I don't mean your normal, I'm going to tidy today. Actually clean. So think of yourself as a buyer walking through the house. They look at everything. I have a client that actually will run her finger on the top of cupboards to see if there's dust. Usually there is. So baseboards, tops of cupboards, the top of your fridge, which is always very upsetting when you actually clean it. Anywhere that you just wouldn't normally clean, try to do like a deep, intense spring cleaning. It feels good too. Paint. So if you love the color of your house, but there's some chipped walls or some things that could use some love, chips you can just cover with another coat of paint. You can match paints very easily now, or sometimes we've kept the paint from before, and as long as it's not on a sunny wall, it's usually the same. If things are just dirty, go and get yourself a magic eraser from Mr. Clean. It is a miracle worker. It gets stains out of sinks. You can clean walls. It's magic. I really, really think it should, it's definitely earned its name, Magic Eraser. Then there's a list of fix-its and just little things that you might not think of because they're just a big pain and you're busy working and living your life and trying to get sleep every night. So walk through. Do all of your light bulbs match? Are all of your light bulbs working? It's a really small thing, but you would be surprised how much brighter a room looks when you fix the light bulbs. Are there little fix-it? Is a drawer or a cupboard kind of hanging? Is there a patch that you need to fix? Little things that you might not really think are a priority, but as buyers walk through, they take inventory, and the longer that list is of things that they have to do, the less likely it is that they'll come in eager with an offer. So I'm Krystal, your Home Sweet Home 519 Realtor. These are 5 tips that you can do right now. You can handle those right now to start the process of getting your home up for sale. To give you an accurate value, give me a call or message me. We can give you a value of what your home would be if you put it up the way it is. And these little fix-its really do make a difference because you are competing with other homes out there and you want quality buyers coming your way. And then we have a whole marketing system that we can put into place to make sure that your home gets seen by as many buyers as possible. Thank you so much. Enjoy the day. Try to stay cool and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.